privileged on our Austin hapa.
Yeah, yeah.
He has brought in his vehicle on our tires. So just spotting the difference, explaining the causes of the two wheels being one of these are brand new tire. So the causes of this one sometimes caused by poor alignment and also the vehicle being unstable. This one can make you easily get into an accident, especially in this weather that it is raining. So also traction has a problem with this one. So we are doing away with this one and we'll fit this one and do wheel balancing and alignment, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So, Austin, yes, this was your tire.
Yes.
So after changing this one, now we put this one. You can see that the depth.
Yeah.
It's fairly new. And also, as we said, balancing.
Yeah.
We've done some balancing. So this one at a certain speed, you won't see your vehicle on the steering shaking.
Twerking.
Or twerking. So always ensure when replacing the tire, you check on this 205, 55, R15, like this one. Also for the speed index of the 91C. So this one. Okay. So always replace your rims with the exact one. Tire. Exact one is what? So when it wears 1 to 1%, it should wear evenly.
What if it doesn't wear evenly like this
So
one?
this one shows that either the tire was of bad quality, or also your vehicle one time had a problem with the alignment. Also, this one is an extreme wear. Extreme. This one at the extreme. You can see even this area is up. This one is lower, up. So I know on the road you will feel the comfort. So always ensure you buy new tires. Don't go to those guys who
do retreading.
Who do retreading.
That one?
Okay.